Got the club going up on the Tuesday. Got your girl in the car and she Tuesday. Club going up.
There you go.
Pier Maze is at Pier 39. We're gonna be spending the day here. This is our first stop. Let's get to it. It's this way, I swear.
I can't lose you guys or else I'm just screwed.
No, it's this way. Oh, Tom and John, you're... You got your bread? Beautiful.
Here we go, man.
We bought a pound of bread.
I just went to Dean to get some bread. $4.29.
So
It's amazing.
hey,
A pound
don't
of
fight over the bread.
one.
Don't fight over the bread.
And now we're gonna do a review on it.
We're in yeah. How is it, John? Is it good?
I would like to try it.
I just had some, and I give it like
An 8.
I give it a 9.
If it was warm, 10 out of 10.
It's good. It's good flavor. It's good texture.
What do you rate it, Bobby?
Woo!
10 out of 10. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey.
What's wrong?
Wait, Thomas, I thought you were...
Thomas, Thomas. What the? Thomas! Here, watch this. Watch, go straight. Hey, right here, right here. Hey, I'm out, yeah! Hey, no!
Go back in. Yeah, man.
In store for you, you will receive a letter soon, and the letter can easily be said to change the whole course of your life. You deserve this happiness because you have been so faithful and sincere in your life. You'll need to give me more money to hear wisdom that I've learned from my many years of solving mysteries. I see you over there. Yes, you. Come on over.
Let's get out of here.
Trouble, trouble, boil a bubble.
What?
Over life's thorny path you'll stumble. Then you'll awake one fine day, and your troubles will have vanished away.
I don't even know what that means.
He woke up and his phone was in his hand. It happened. God bless.
Looks like
I dare someone to run down a hall as fast as they can. No, it has to be just straight away.
No.
Are you okay?
God bless.
Come on, Thomas. Let's go, let's go.
I don't know where to go.
It's right here.
No, this way, this way.
Hey man, what's up, man? What's up, man?
We're going closer to the entrance. Oh, wait.
This
the
way, watch out.
entrance is
Oh,
right there.
right.
Are we done?
Oh, we're done. There you go.
We're done.
Artsy.
I scored one.
Oh, Thomas.
Yeah. And the day after, all of my clothes smelled like gasoline. I smell like gasoline. Yeah, man. Going out of
Where are we eating at?
It looks like. Yeah, man. I'm gonna go like this.
I don't know why you're doing it.
Good night, everyone. We had a lit time in San Francisco.
Say bye, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.